I noticed this Instagram account has unbelievable numbers of views on each of the unique videos they posted. That's not all. They gained thousands of subscribers within a very short period of time just by posting this unique kind of videos. What if I told you that the videos they produce is not the regular kind of videos we are used to? What if I told you I discovered that very few numbers of such creators are existing on YouTube? I mean, not everyone is producing such kind of videos. So I came to a conclusion, which is, why not teach about it so that others can take hold of this opportunity and become the very few cashing out heavily from these kinds of videos? Meanwhile, for those who will ask if it can be monetized, yes, sure, they can be monetized. But before we get right into the video, kindly hit the subscribe button below. Are you done? Let's dive into the video. To get started, go to your browser and search for ChatGPT. Once you are on the site, look for the text box where you can enter your prompt. I already included a specific prompt in the video description for you to use. Just copy the prompt and head back to ChatGPT and paste it there. Click on the Generate button. Wait for a while as ChatGPT will provide you 5 unique prompts that feature Messi and Ronaldo in different scenarios. You are free to modify the prompt if you want to add humor or infuse a particular tone. Once your prompts are ready, it's time to move on to the next step, which is generating images for the videos. I intend to use 2 popular image generators like Leonardo AI and Ideogram to see which tool gives us the best result for our video. Let's open Google and search for Leonardo AI. Click on the first link that appears after the search result. Once you logged in using your image, head over to the image creation section. The interface is very friendly for beginners. We are about to compare 2 image generation tools, so go back to New tab and search for Ideogram on Google. Click on the link and sign in with your Gmail account. The interface too is very friendly and simple for any kind of users. After that, go back to ChatGPT and copy the first prompt. This prompt will help create an engaging and unique image of these soccer stars in a fun scenario. Now open Leonardo AI and paste the prompt you copied into the prompt box. Make sure you select Leonardo Phoenix for the preset. For the style, choose Dynamic. Next, set the dimensions to 9:16. This size is perfect for platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook Reels. And when everything is looking good, click on the Generate button. This will cost you 24 credits. After that, head over to Ideogram AI and paste the same prompt into its text box. Select the 9:16 aspect ratio and choose Model 2.0. Click on Generate. This will 2 credits to create 2 images at the same time. Alright, let's give the AI tool a few minutes to generate the images. When it is done, compare the images generated by the 2 images generating tools together and pay close attention to quality, background, color details, realistic presentations, and which of it represents the prompts totally all right. This is for the reason of identification. Immediately viewers see it. You wouldn't need extra eye lens or more than one glance to be able to differentiate and identify Ronaldo and Messi. In my own observation, Ideogram delivers the best quality and the images looks too real, like a real-life images. So I will be using Ideogram to generate all my images following the same steps. Here's a look at all the images we have generated using Ideogram. They turned out great and everything looks just right. Once you have done that, check out the images you like most and download them to save them in your device. Now you have laid the foundation for your video, and in the next step, we will animate those images. Now you have your images, it is time to turn them to video using Pixverse AI. Next, open a new tab in your browser and search for Pixverse AI. Click on the first link and it will bring you to the site. Click on Try Pixverse and sign in with your Google account. Once you are logged in, look for an icon that looks like image. This is where to upload the images you have downloaded before from Ideogram. Click on it and upload the image into Pixverse. Next, it will ask you to add a short description directly under the image. This description is important because it helps create the desired style for your video. After you click on Create, Pixverse will work its magic. Just in a few minutes, it will create a video for you. To speed up the video generation process, you can try other tools like Vidu AI, Haiper AI, and Hailuo AI. This tool can even help you get better results, and the best part is that they all offers free versions to get you started. First, let's start with Vidu AI. Search for Vidu AI. Click the link to visit the site. Once you've logged in as a free user, you will receive 80 free credits. Now, click on Create Video, enter the video editor, in the Image to Video tab, upload your second image, and add description to guide the animation, and just click Create, and Vidu AI will start developing your video in seconds. Next, try Haiper AI. Search for Haiper AI on Google and click the first link. Log in with your Google account, then find the Image to Video tool, upload your third image, and add the description and hit Create. Just like with Vidu AI, Haiper AI will animate your image, but now you are using multiple tools to make the process faster. Repeat the same step for each image across these tools to make your it faster without depending on just one slow AI tool. By combining this tool, you can create multiple videos within the shortest period of time and speed up the whole process. Once everything is done, just click the download button to save your videos. Now it's time for the most interesting step, where we edit the whole videos using CapCut. And this is where the magic happens. A place where we make a professional video out of everything. But you can use any editing platform you are comfortable with. Alright, but I prefer CapCut. Start by importing the video clips, the ones we just created, and arrange them in the order you want. Next, add some transitions like fades between clips. Give a smoother flow and make the video more enjoyable for viewers. To make it more engaging, add background music. You can find free copyright audios in the YouTube library, on Pixels, or on CapCut itself. Adding the right music can make a difference because it sets the mood and keeps viewers interested. Finally, watch your video to make sure everything looks good. And when you are happy, click on Export to save the final version. And there you have it. You can create a video as this in minutes and for free. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next one.